Welcome back. Regular expressions are not just for searching and extracting. They are also incredibly powerful for manipulating and cleaning text data. Today, we will explore the last of the four core functions, our re.sub parenthesis, which is Python's highly versatile substitution function. 1. Using our re.sub parenthesis for replacement. The re.sub function is the equivalent of find and replace all. It takes three arguments: the pattern to find, the replacement string, and the string to search within. Sub scans the entire string, finds every instance of the pattern, in our case, error followed by 3 digits, and replaces them with the string alert. 2. Controlling the number of substitutions. By default, our re.sub replaces all occurrences. However, you may use the optional keyword argument count to limit the number of replacements. If you set count equal to 1, as shown here, only the very first matching pattern will be replaced. This provides fine-grained control over your text manipulation. 3. Practical use case, data cleanup. One of the most common applications of our re.sub is cleaning up user-entered data or extracted web content. By using the pattern /s+, which we haven't formally covered but means one or more whitespace characters, we can replace all occurrences of multiple spaces, tabs, and new lines with a single space, standardizing the format. This is extremely useful in real-world projects. To summarize, our re.sub is the tool for automated text transformation. Our next lecture 24.06, Split. See you there.